If you have enabled the pre-record feature of the Halo body camera, as soon as you power on the unit, it will begin recording for up to a minute. So I've powered on my device. The red light on top comes on, it starts blinking, as well as the front LED. The blinking indicates that it is in pre-record mode, where it will buffer or save up to a minute of video. To activate recording, I'm going to press the record button on the front once. This captures anything up to a minute that it was recording, saving to memory. The lights on the front and the top will become solid to indicate that it is actively recording. From here you have two options. I can double tap the front LED button here to return to pre-record mode. It'll beep twice, and this starts a new file. It's recording up to a minute again. The other option is, well, let's go back to record. While it's recording, if I want to power down the camera, I could just hold the front button here for about 3 seconds, and the unit will power down.